Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mark here, and we're down at the Bunnings complex. And tonight, the Apex Collective Club, I don't know if they're a club, but they're a group, are holding a Halloween street meet. So we're going to go have a look and check out some of the nice looking cars, all done up in the Halloween costumes or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I want to thank these guys for putting on one of the best Rockhampton street meets here in central Queensland. So let's go have a look, eh? Tonight I am filming on my little DJI Action 2, and it's going to be a bit of a night film, all I'm going to do. And you see we're sitting here, and now they're all moving back down to the Bunnings complex where it is held. Anyway, I said, yeah, it's going to be a bit of a night film tonight, so I'm hoping that it's going to turn out okay. So yeah, well, let's see how it goes. Good old R33 Force. Cool. That's nice. Nice Gladiator. Mm. Mm. Just showing some of the cars that's already coming in there. It looks like some Jeeps are here already and some four-wheel drives. That's nice. Oh, we'll go have a look. All right, so here we are. Just after talking to a friend of mine about a couple of events he's got coming up here at the Halloween show. Let's have a look at some of these cars while we're here. Hopefully it comes out nice, this video. Bit of low light, as you can see, but good old 300 ZX. Very nice. Bit dark, but yeah, it's all good. Nala, getting heaps of pats, I see. I'll go over here for a second, over to the Corvette. Left-hand drive, as you can see this. Have a look. Probably can't see much inside, but we'll have a quick walk around. Oh, 180. SX. Very nice. Here's this Jeep. Very nice looking Jeep Gladiator. I do these walk around of these vehicles and cars and all that for people. I've done a couple of Jeeps already, a Gladiator, another one.
Yeah. I'd love to see it afterwards, absolutely.
Oh yeah, no. Come around and have a look a bit more. Very nice colour. It really matches the colour of the purple, doesn't it? Stand back a bit and have a look at the front. Yeah, very nice. Good to see some of the four-wheel drives here too. Oh yeah, there we are. I hope you can see it. I might have to move a bit. There you go.
There's one on the back window too.
Is there? All right, we'll have
Purchased my tattoo.
your tattoo. Oh, just take it. There you go. Look at that. Oh, look at this rig. R33 Skyline. Nice. Sorry about if you can't see very good there. The lights are out at the complex now. They were on and it was pretty good. It was lighting them all up. And oh, look at this. All the nice neons underneath. Another R33. Definitely makes me want to get back into the car scene. What car do you reckon I should get? let us know down below. Used to be into my rotaries, and I love my Datsuns. So yeah, comment down below. Later model 370. Oh, not a 350, it's 370. There you go. Anyway, keep having a look. More down here. We'll go quickly down and have a look. There's another Gladiator down here. And here we are, another Jeep Gladiator. Oh, it's good to see some of the four-wheel drives getting here, like I said before. Hope you can see it. It's a bit dark, I know, but Commodore here with its nice flashing lights. And what's it got on there? Fake cop. Good one. Anyway, a couple of the Commodores done up with a bit of spider webs over it, so it glows in the dark. Okay, over here now. Little Mazda MX-5. All yep, all done up with all the nice looking Sky Active MX-5, eh? Little Lancer.
You know me, you've been at my house.
I'll walk around this way. There's a fair few four-wheel drives. Hope you can see this one. G'day. And here we are, Camaro. I'll get a look around the front of it, eh? G'day. Camaro, hope you can see it. Okay, here's another Jeep. Should have brought my Jeep here tonight, but that's okay. Hopefully you said, here we are. Here's this other one. This is a Jeep. I think this is the Mitsubishi one. Is it right? Look at the skeleton and everything. Pretty good setup. Nice, very nice. Here we go. Yep, RX-7. Have a quick look around, give a walk. At least you can see here with the light. Hope you can see in there. There's two aliens. Alright, since the lights come back on now, let's have a look. A quick walk around some of these very nice looking cars. Here we are, yep. Nice looking 300. Very rare one. It's a 97 model, this one. 2x2. You can have a look at it now. Coming back before, and it was very dark. The lights had just come on, so yeah, there we are, another Skylines. Very nice looking Skylines. Look at the wheels on this thing. There you are. Anyway, look at the lights of this thing. You're all right.
Are you posting this?
Yeah, I've got a YouTube channel. I have, yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube?
Anyway, keep on going. We'll walk along up here, and then we'll come back. We're going to have a look through that 300 ZX in a second. But yeah, how nice are some of these cars? The ones down here. It's a nice looking Gemini. Yeah. Nala, she come to see all the cars. Gemini, one of the best in Rockhampton, or actually in central Queensland, we can say. How beautiful is it? Have a quick look inside while the lights are on. But this is going to be a feature car, this one, on my channel, so look out for it. Yeah, how beautiful is that? Get down here. I think they're having their presentation now for the best dressed car and best dressed person for the Halloween meet. So let's go down and have a look, eh?
Thanks everyone for coming and dressing up. You actually did an insane job, everyone, like the cars and the costumes. It's actually a lot more than what I thought it would be. So I appreciate everyone coming. I think you all deserve a round of applause. Like, let's just give it up for everyone. Yeah. What an amazing job. Alright, so we have a few sponsors. We obviously have Bursons, as always. They're the sponsor for all of our events. Have kindly given us all these tools to give away to you guys, so we really appreciate them. Remember, if you guys want to get any tools or car parts or anything like that, head over there. You say you're part of the Apex crew and you get a 10% discount on anything. We also have another sponsor, which is actually Revs Paint Supplies. Revs Paint Supplies, Rockhampton. We have cards here and over at the food vendors. If you grab one of them, you also get a discount if you want to, repaint your cars or stuff. They also have detailing kits and all that sort of jazz. Yeah, really cool guys. Really appreciate it, and we'll do more stuff in the future with them. We also have another one, which is Slidey Boys Drift Community. They've come in clutch last minute. We really appreciate it. Keychains, thank you very much, guys. All right, let's do it. So, who won the cars? Are we doing winners or runners up first? All right. Runners up for the best dressed car has to go to that orange commie. Who owns that orange commie? Yeah. Who owns it? You won. Let's go. Give it up. There you go. Now the winner for the best dressed car is also a Commodore. It's actually the one right beside it. Trudy, Anna, well done. You got a vampire outfit that looks unreal. All the fake blood, the handprints, the weird alien at the back. Well done. I know, it's hard to hug me. Yeah, I know. Here you go. 30-piece kit. It's all yours. Well done. Well, moving on though to best costume. Now, the runners-up. Who was it? Chloe. Chloe Yuki. Chloe Yuki. Where are ya? There you are. Run us out. Let's go. Give it up and run. Well done. The winner, this was a bit of a hard one because there's a lot of people that dressed up. But we have to give it up for Unique. Like, I've never seen this outfit before, and he's committed the whole night being here dressed up in it. I can assume it's probably really hot. Oh, Pink Panther Man. Where are you, brother? You're vibrating. Well done. Round of applause, everyone. Oh, there's a pig. I'm not talking Pink Panther, mate. I don't make the rules, alright? I can imagine how hot that'd be. You got a photo? Yeah. Do you grab your stuff or do it later? Yeah? Right, easy. Round of applause, everyone. Thanks very much. Alright, that actually concludes, not the night, but prizes and everything like that. We, really appreciate everyone coming out. Continue to stay to 8:30. That's when our official ends. That's when our meet officially ends, so for the cutout. We'll be back, probably do a cruise next time, I reckon. Yeah, and then end of the year, we're going to be doing a Christmas meet. Same sort of idea, dress up cars, dress up person, everything like that. It's going to be unreal. Yeah, it'll be really fun and bigger prizes to win. So thank you very much, everyone, for coming. We really appreciate it at Apex, and we'll see you at the next one. Thanks, heaps, guys. See ya.
Oh, okay, rightio. Yep. We'll have a quick look in here before we go on. Remember when looking at people's cars, ask them first and everything, but yeah, how nice is this? Hopefully you can see the interior of it. Automatic, 300ZX, 97 model, 2x2. How nice are those seats? This is going to be a feature car on my channel, so look out for this one too. Oop. Ah, there we go. Got it now. Yeah, how nice is it? Okay, let's have a look at a couple more cars while the lights are on. Yeah, we can see some nice colours. Oh, this little thing. Oh, little Toyota Starlet. Haven't seen one of these for a very long time. That's alright. I had a bit of a chat to an old mate of mine. Yeah, back in the day when we had Dattos and Rotaries and everything. But I'll have a quick look at these cars while the lights are on, especially this Mitsubishi Jeep that's here. Well, not that one, but this one here. And yeah, have a quick look anyway before it goes. This is a Mitsubishi Jeep CJ6, CJ5, G6. I can't remember now, but yeah, have a look at this one. But it's going to be a feature. It's going to be a feature car. This one on my channel too. Yeah. Hey, I'm back again. Yeah, I thought I'd do a bit around it while the lights are on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it better now since the lights are on. Oh yeah, but everybody's leaving now. I'll talk to you later anyway. Here we go. You can hear me over that. GTR Skyline R34. Sorry. All right. Can I go? Sorry, right. Sorry, mate. I'll get out of your road. Very nice looking rig, isn't it? Anyway, good to see the food vans are here too. As you can see, both food vans. And a 4-door R34 heap plater, so it must be a non-turbo rig. Okay. There we are. Still a good looking car, aren't they? 4 doors. Still nice. There we are, guys. Ah, look what we've got here. Oh, yeah. Let's see. G'day, good. I do a bit of a video, so I come to all these things and do a bit of like to show what's here, you know?
Yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah.
No, I come along fairly all of them as well. As
Oh,
long as
right.
I'm not working.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, right, yeah. Yeah, oh, a little Jimmy, yeah.
Not so bad, man. Yourself?
He's got some nice looking cars, hasn't he?
Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Couple of years.
Yeah, that's
There we are, look at that.
yeah.
Show you some of them while we're here. Patrol, yep. Look at that, there's a patrols there. Oh, yeah. Nice, very nice.
Oh, what'd you
Do
see?
you find any rotaries there? Ah, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
R7.
He's debating one, so like, he does have a job.
Very nice. What's your is it
CQ diecast on Facebook.
CQ diecast on Facebook?
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Although we have a bigger setup than this, just sort of went light today to see how we went. But
Oh, right, yeah, no worries, yeah. All right, thanks for that, yeah. Bit of a plug for you anyway, so yeah. No worries. All right, we'll keep on going. Have a look a bit more. They're all starting to leave now, everybody, so hopefully, I said there's a lot of people here, like these guys here from Gladstone. This is a nice colour, isn't it? Nice purple colour. One of the colours I would have made back in the day when I was doing the paint business, making automotive paints. This is a Chaser, am I right? Let's have a look at this quickly. Pumpkin on top and the, yeah, that's oh yeah, okay, right, yeah. How do you say that? Anyway, listen to this RX-7. Yeah, the boy from back then, so I know all the noises from the rotaries. Anyway. A few more cars just over there too, it looks like. Couple 4 drives. Anyway, we'll go have a look at these ones. I'll let these people go first. Nice old classic Holden. Now this LV dub. All right, guys, that's it. It's been a pretty good meet. When the lights came on, yeah, I had to do another walk around all the vehicles over there. Anyway, we've got one tired puppy dog. Wants to go home and sleep now. That's good. But anyway, yeah, guys, I'll catch us on the next time and look out for some featured cars coming up soon. So see you all later. Eh? Oh, they're off. There they go. Who are they going after now? Come on. think they were just showing off. Oh well, we got them on camera, but no, everyone's behaves themselves, so that's good. Anyway, we'll that's it. Wrap it up. See you later.